Now for our Stingray, we'll be using two 260s. I've chosen gray. One has about a 3.5 inch tail, the other's got close to a 5 inch tail. I've also got a 5 inch round. I've chosen blue. Blown it up to a little bit over an inch, not quite an inch and a half or so. Trim the nozzle really close. We're going to start with the longer of the 260s. Starting at the nozzle end, we need to twist 2 small pinch twists, so make a 1/2 inch bubble. Make that a pinch twist. Another 1/2 inch bubble. Make that a pinch twist as well. Now we're going to come back and make about a 6 or a 7 inch bubble there. And we're going to make 2 more pinch twists. So make your first bubble, pinch twist. Second bubble, make that a pinch twist as well. Now what we're going to do is another bubble the same size as that one. And I'm going to twist it up and back into those first 2 pinch twists where we started. Now I'm going to lay it alongside there another bubble, and this one just a little bit longer. Back to the back pinch twist. And then one more along the side of it again. Same way. We've got now 4, shorten that one just a hair, 4 bubbles. And then we'll trim this excess off. We don't need it. Secure that end up in there. Got 4 bubbles here with 2 pinch twists. I'm going to go ahead and put my eyes on. So take your 5 inch round, divide it into 2 bubbles, making sure the knot's in the middle. And obviously at this point it doesn't matter which end is the front, so twist it onto one of those pairs of pinch twists, like that. Now grab your second 260, and starting, if you get your eyes on one end, you want to start at the other end. Twist the nozzle in around those 2 pinch twists there, securing in place. And now what we're going to do is we're going to add another layer to give us wings a little more depth. I'm going to lay another alongside there, along the outside. Come up and twist it into the 2 pinch twists at the front where his eyes are. And then one more back along the other side and twist into the 2 pinch twists at the back. Whatever you have left over, pull it where it sticks out straight from the back of those 2 pinch twists on the back, and that's going to be his tail. Let's straighten him up, turn his lip straight here. We'll put some eyes right up here on the front of him. And there's a fairly quick and fast little Stingray.